Hey guys, how are you? I'm sure you guys are doing great. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to give you a new update about the ransomware attack. So if you are working in the IT industry, it is very much important for you and for all the people who work in the IT industry to stay up to date about the ransomware attack. Apart from that, I'm going to also explain you about the ransomware attack. So what is ransomware, how actually it impact your network and how dangerous it is. To know the entire detail, watch this video till end. My name is Manjit Singh. You're watching your own channel, that is IT Hunters. Now, before giving you a new update about the ransomware attack, let me give you a complete detail about what is ransomware. So basically, ransomware is a complete set of instructions which all enter into your server or network or a computer and encrypt all the data, right, which cannot be decrypted, right? So that is the you can say the ransomware attack. So basically, once it is encrypted, it cannot be recovered back. That's how dangerous it is. So if now let us understand how actually ransomware attack enter into your network. So basically, these are the people, you can say they are the people, we call them as a hacker. They create a such kind of a program. Of course, it is a program, right, which enter into your network and start encrypting your data. But how they actually enter into your network? So first of all, they will pretend to be a very genuine people, right? Say for example, if you are using a Microsoft, just giving an example, if you are using a Microsoft product, right, so they will send you an email on your email ID that we are from Microsoft team, and we found that some vulnerability into your server which can lead to some data leakage and stuff like that, and they will give you a link that this is the patch. You can just update this patch into your server so that your data leak can be blocked. So might be you are worried about your data, right? So definitely some people, they download that link. The moment they click on download, automatically ransomware network data, the program get activated on your server and start encrypting your entire data. So that is the one way. Another way, say for example, if you are aware of that is this is a fake email, right? So you are avoiding that, you are not working, taking action on that. Might be they start targeting your audience, your network users. They start sending them an email, or maybe the content which they are looking over the, say for example, you are something finding something on a Google or maybe something like that. So basically they keep on track what you are looking for. So basically they create a complete page about that, and they, the moment you click on that, and they will show you, so this is the valuable information and so and so. If you need such and so information, they pretend to be a very genuine people, and they offer something very important, right? So that is the way which can, the way you can say the ransomware attack programs get into your network. So once it is there in the network, so they, first of all, they automatically, these program automatically get activated on the background, right? They start entering, making entries into your system registry values, so that they can control the entire system, and they can give you a complete access to that particular device, to the server, the hackers who have designed that program basically, right? So they encrypt, and definitely after the completed data encryption, they will give you a very good note that I have encrypted your data, right? Now your data is safe if you pay ransom, right? So you have to pay so much of amount on this crypto ID. The moment you pay us, we will give you a decrypt key, and we will decrypt your entire data. Definitely, if any company have a very valuable information or very valuable data with them, they try to, basically there are people who paid the ransom, but still they have not got any answer from those particular people, and the data is not decrypted. So guys, it is important to understand, because now in a April month, I have published a video on my other channel, which is Tech Guru Manjeet, by stating that there are some security companies, they have reported that in 2022 the ransomware attack is going on a very large scale, right? So it might be your company the next target. So it is important for all of us to stay up to date. Now, how to stay up to date from ransomware attacks? The first option is, always take a backup on daily basis and store that data either on a cloud or maybe the external drive, and disconnect that external drive from your network or maybe your server, right? So that is the first option to stay safe from your attacks, right? You may never know how that particular data enter into that particular software, the virus enter into your network and start encrypting your data. So this is the only way. Apart from that, you should implement multiple checkpoints for them to enter into your network, so that maybe you can always use firewalls, right? Firewalls into your network, so that your the all the data which is entering into your private network from a public network get restricted by the what you can say, the firewall, right? That is the first option. But the second option, if they somehow manage to cross the firewall, in that case, you should always use a licensed antivirus on your systems. That is the second. Apart from that, we can, we can enable our, what you can say, the system firewall activated, so that somehow you manage to, stop the ransomware attacks and all that, right? So that is the only ways, but you may never know if you are using, because I have experience, my one of my client having firewall implemented, license antivirus up to date, but still they have faced the ransomware attack. So it is important for you now. A day before yesterday, one of my client reported that they have faced the ransomware attack last day, I think Sunday, somewhere around afternoon, 1 o'clock or something like that. So it is important for all of us to stay up to date. If you are into IT industry, so it is important for you to safeguard your data and keep it in a safe location. In case ransomware attack happens, entire data will get encrypted and you will not be able to decrypt that data, because no solution till date has given by any of the company. So guys, I hope you guys are now liking my content. The If you liking my content, press the like button, and if you are new to my channel, press the subscribe. Do not press the don't forget to press the bell icon, so that every time I upload video you will get notified. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.